welcome to my videos. So guys, when you apply for any Canadian PR, you need to have a letter that describes the job duties you do, that describes your role, your working duration, I mean dates when you joined and when you worked. Okay. Now, a very common problem I have seen, especially with IT industry employers, that they don't issue such letters. I was also subjected to the same thing. And how I came out of it, that's what I'm gonna describe. Okay. So, like all these details, this is something that IRCC requires to map your job duties with the NOC code that you select when you apply for PR, and also for matching that you are working full time or not. Okay. So these pieces of information, whatever IRCC is seeking, have to be in the letter. But that's where the catch is, that HRs tell many time in IT industry that we don't issue such letters. Sorry. Now, what I have seen, the challenging part here is the job duties, because HRs do issue letters that, yeah, you have been working here, your joining date, you work full time, your salary. These details are pretty common, your salary details and other things, and your full time type of employment days. But job duties, how you're gonna do? So let me tell you how I did. So when I had applied for my express entry years ago, I was already here in Canada. I was working on work permit. Okay. So I got a letter where I had basic details like my joining date, my position, my salary, my employment type, which was full time. So some details I had captured. But the problem I had was in the job duties. How I'm gonna do it? I asked my HR. HR had refused straight away. Sorry, can't do it. Then what I did, I was working with a client. I maintained very good relationship with them. I spoke to them personally, and they agreed. So one of a very senior client side, you can say representative, someone whom I was working, agreed to issue me a letter. So he issued a letter to me where job duties were also described. The reason is I worked with the same client, right, for many years. So basically, I was employed by my employer, but I was working for them. Those job duties I was doing was for them, right? So they issued me the letter and they included their signature and other things. And I included both letters together for my express entry. I explained this in my explanation letter, and it was accepted like this. Boom. So this is how I managed. I hope this will help you out. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.